everyone, good day to all of you. By the way, this is your host Bing Topaz, and we're back to our tutorial once again, and this is about how to activate a button link to your channel about section. So if you are interested about this video, keep on watching. Okay, let's begin. But before we proceed, make sure to copy the link first, okay? Because this is the most important. You gotta bring that first before you go to the site, okay? So here we go. I'll just show you the simple way. So before you proceed to your channel site, make sure you have copy the link for your channel about section. Okay, so let's proceed. Just go to your channel, and once you reach here, just click this customize channel. Click that. Okay, once you reach here, the top here, there's an option here, layout, and this is the branding. Okay, under the branding, you see your profile and your art channel, and down here is your video watermark. So let's proceed to basic info, and this is where you're gonna start. Okay, so these are the links below. So this is where you're going to create your link button for your channel about section. Okay, so since I already created my link buttons here, there are 5 buttons here I created for my channel about section, which is the IG, FB page, Smeo1 and Smeo2, and including the Twitter. And okay, so I'll just have to add another link button just to show you how to do it. So there's an option here below. This one, the add link, just click that. Then okay, let's paste the link that I copied. Let's paste that. Okay, click the paste. Okay, that's it. Link title, link title. Okay. So this site, sorry guys. Now let's delete it. So okay, so just click the add link, and this is the link title. Okay, this is the link title. So you have to type in first the title, like for example, okay, just like that. No, just okay, just like that. Okay, so that's the title of my link, and let's proceed to this site here, which is the URL, and this is where you're gonna paste the link. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, just click the paste here, and that's it. Once you do that, all you have to do is just click the top right here, publish, and that's it. Okay, then check to my channel. Let's check it out if the button link is already there. So what you're gonna do is just click the about again, and here we go. Okay, so this is the new button link that I just have created in my channel about section. So as this is that, it's very simple. So this is my channel about section, and then are my button links. Here we go. So this is my description, and these are my button links. This blue part, the IG, FB page, Smeo1, Smeo2, Twitter, including the GPay, which this link is actually my TikTok account, but I just put 2 letters just to make it short. So as simple as that. You can make it, guys. Do it now. So that's it. I hope this video is an educational for you, and this is all for today, and stay tuned for my next video this coming Friday. See ya. Bye.